video. So I'm going to be just reviewing it's basically a little air pusher. It pushes out all that dust and dirt stuck in your computer keyboard, so it's very handy for that. So I bought this in Temu as well. Paid €1.50 or something like that. Very cheap for it. It's just random stuff just to buy. They're just so useful as well around the house. So that's it. It's a bit black and white colour. So a bit of air comes out of it there. So you just go put it up to the keyboard and then you just squeeze. You can feel the air coming out there. So you just keep squeezing and pull out all the air there. So you just push around all the table as well. So you just keep squeezing the air. Cleans the keyboard, gets all the dirt you can't reach with your fingers, and all the dust, clear all the dust as well. That breaks the keyboard as well on a computer. Could be even a tablet. If you have a keyboard that they attach into all that, just even for your PlayStation remote, could be used for anything. Very ideal. It's just very handy to use. So hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you do, and like and leave a comment what you want to see next. Thanks.